Well, at least the pigs didn't catch us. Yeah, I know, right? I hear footsteps. Oh man, I have to go to the bathroom. I'm gonna go behind the tree. Be right back.
Are you lost?
Ah,
Don't be scared. My name is Jack.
let's go. Right now. There is a scary guy here. Oh my god. That was very scary. Yeah, I know, right? What the hell is that? It looks like a damn chicken to me. Yeah, it sounds like a chicken, so it must be a chicken. Kinda like us. Well, we should be safe here, at the clubhouse. I agree, but what do you think a chicken is doing here? In a Plitagon plot? I don't really know. Class probably put it here. Yeah, I bet he did.